The MiG-27 UPG aircraft was on a routine mission from Jodhpur. Photo, Ani, an Indian Air Force MiG-27 upgrade aircraft crashed around noon near Jodhpur on Sunday, officials said. As per an official statement, the aircraft got airborne from Air Force Station Uttarlai, Barmer, at 11:27 a.m. on Sunday for a routine sortie and crashed at 11:45 a.m., approximately 120 kilometers south of Jodhpur. The pilot ejected safely and was recovered by a search and rescue helicopter. The pilot is safe and preliminary investigations have revealed no damage to any person or property on ground. A court of inquiry has been ordered to investigate the cause of the accident. Investigation is still on in the case.